Hello, welcome to Salt Rose Tarot. In this video, I'm reviewing The Inner Tarot by Kate Van Horn, a modern approach to self-compassion and empowered healing using the tarot. This is such a lovely book. If you use tarot for inner work, for personal growth, or for healing, or you're just looking for a reflective, compassionate approach to tarot, this book is perfect for that. I also think this is a great book for beginners, particularly if your intention for learning tarot is to do inner work, but you're not sure where to begin or how to begin. This is a great place to start. Also, if you're a life coach or therapist who uses tarot, this would make a great resource for your clients or for yourself to pull from. So let's take a closer look. The book has 259 pages. It was published by Sounds True in 2024. The back of the book reads, "Tarot is about more than reading cards or predicting futures. It's a storytelling tool to support your empowered healing and personal growth. If your curiosity is calling you, or you have a deck you've been ignoring, now is the time to dive in." And the author, Kate Van Horn, is a tarot reader, psychic, and spiritual mentor. She is a 500-hour registered yoga teacher and a certified intuitive healer. Taking a look at the table of contents, it's divided into 2 parts and has 11 chapters. The book begins with an introduction, and there's a quote in the intro here that I really like. "It's through their sense of mystery that the cards draw us in. They faintly whisper invitations, tempting us with their wisdom. They're mesmerizing to us, not because they differ from the typical search engines we rely on for answers, but because they serve as mirrors, reflecting all our facets and flaws and offering an opportunity to discover the answers hidden within us all along." And then the author goes on in the introduction to talk about her own personal story. Chapter 1 in review gives a brief history of tarot, and the author also talks about a few of the common myths connected with tarot. Chapter 2 is a brief but very good introduction to the basics of tarot. There's an exercise here for getting to know the basic structure of a tarot deck. Very useful if you're brand new to tarot. Then chapter 3 is on numerology, what the numbers ace through 10 represent in tarot. I always love when numerology is included in any tarot book. Kate says here, "I can confidently say after thousands of readings for clients and probably a million, okay, that's a stretch, card pulls for myself, that familiarizing myself with numerology was the most helpful lesson I have ever received as a reader." I can relate to this so much, and I haven't done anywhere near that number of readings, but for me, learning numerology also made a huge difference in my understanding of tarot and my ability to read the minor arcana cards ace through 10, and I love that this was included in the book. Moving on to chapter 4, she covers some different kinds of practices and rituals that relate to tarot. In chapter 5, she covers spreads. There's a selection of spreads, as well as a short part on how to create your own spreads. Chapter 6 is on reading reversals. Kate explains what that means, how it relates to doing inner work, and at the end of this chapter, she has a spread specifically for intentionally reading card reversals. This would be great for shadow work. And then part 2 of the book covers card meanings. She begins with the minor arcana ace through 10. They're divided by suit, and each of the 4 suits has a fairly in-depth section on the elemental meanings. And then she goes card by card. There are black and white images for each card using the classic Rider-Waite-Smith deck. There are some keywords, a card meaning, a part on how to connect with the card, and a reflection for each card. And then in chapter 11, she covers the major arcana. And then for the major arcana, again, there are keywords. She gives the meaning for each card, and then there's a short affirmation for each of the cards, and a little journal prompt for each that is entitled Connect to Your Story. And then the book ends with a short conclusion. Overall, this book is very approachable. It's not intimidating, but it's still very comprehensive. If you're on a healing or inner work journey that includes tarot, this is a wonderful book to add to your tarot book collection and one that you can return to over and over again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another tarot book review.